Getting started with A to Z World Food. A to Z World Food is a fantastic place to explore food and food culture around the world, country by country. Are you hungry? Let's get started. Visit hcplibrary.org. Move your mouse pointer over Research and Learn, and click on All Resources. Click View Resource under A to Z World Food. If you are not connected to our network at one of our physical locations, you will be prompted to enter your library card number and password. Enter that information at this time. Your password is the PIN number for your account. Let's dive in and select a country to explore. I will click on Europe, and then select Finland. We can explore everything from Finland's food culture, beverages, and recipes. We can even see what a typical Finn might stock in their pantry. Let's click on Appetizers, and then Pulla, or cardamom bread. This pulls up a detailed recipe featuring a brief description, the time it takes to make, ingredients, and directions, along with the amount of servings the recipe makes and any dietary needs the recipe meets. At the bottom, there is a note about this recipe, and you can even share or print the recipe as well. Have a blast on your worldwide culinary adventures. If you have any questions, please call 317-462-5141, extension 240.